Good evening. My name is Kiran Wagmore. Today's date is 27 September 2022, and our today's video topic is difference between bean factory and application context. So discuss about what is the bean factory and what is the application context. In a bean factory and application is context. It is the part of the Spring framework. In a Spring it is the most popular framework to the Java Enterprise Edition. It is the open source lightweight framework. It is allows Java developers to build the simple, reliable enterprises application. In a Bean Factory and application, it provides the aspect-oriented programming. It is provide the support of all generic and middleware services and mainly focus on the providing various ways help you to manage business object, and it is a modularized framework where module are the it is designed to on the concept it is called the dependency injection. In a dependency injection, means it is a part of the design pattern. Dependency injection, it is the allows to use the that allows design pattern of Spring content inject object in the other object. Or a dependency context, it is the simply word meaning it is creating objects and managing Spring and component care of a Spring containers. So what is the Spring containers? Spring containers, it is provide the two most fundamentally important packages. They are the Spring frameworks beans, and second one is the Spring framework context packages. In this package, it is provide the basic of the Spring inversion control or a dependency injection features. Spring context, it are the responsible for creating the bin objects and inject them into the classes. There are two containers in the Spring mainly. The first one is the bin factory and second one is the applications context. So discuss about the bin factory. Bin factory, it is the available on the it is the interface accessing the Spring bin container. It is the actual that the instance it is configured and manage a number of bins. Thus, bin collaborates with the other and have dependencies between themselves. Thus, dependencies are reflected to the configuration data uses and bin factory. This interface implement the object hold a number of bin dependencies and uniquely identify the string name. It is the most common implementation of the class for the bin factory. It is available in the XML bin factory. Second, discuss about the application context. Application context, it is the used to the it in a application context. In a bin factory, there are some low packages are, but in a application context, it is the top of the bin factory. That is all about bin factory and application context. So thank you.